I'm going to put you slightly on the spot, not totally, but slightly on the spot. I forgot to prep you on this, but you know what? If you don't got anything, you don't got anything. So we have a section called secret sauce, and we've talked about so many secret sauces. And you just even mentioned one that you're like, I'm not sure if it's secret sauce or not. So maybe you just want to repeat that one. I don't know. Maybe it is your secret sauce, but secret sauce, our section secret sauce is for, hey, what's something owners can do in their laundromats that might benefit them, help them improve their business, or themselves personally even. And maybe it's card system related, maybe it's not, but probably it is, I would say. But whatever you come up with, what's your secret sauce?
Listen up, it's the secret sauce.
Oh gosh. You did put me on the spot. We talked about a lot. I would say, or the secret sauce, pick one. Yeah. All right. Well, let's talk about, value. All right. Okay. So I think, whatever you can do to add value and convenience to your stores is huge. And this isn't even card system related. I'll tell you something that we do in our stores we hate them, but we love them at the same time. We put electric sliding doors in every one of our stores. Now, let me tell you something about electric sliding doors. If you don't have one in your store, they're awful. They break regularly. They're the worst service. They're expensive. They cost a fortune. I want to tell you that if you go to your store on a busy Saturday and you've got a mom with a couple of kids hanging onto the pockets of their jeans and they got a basket of laundry on the other hip, to try to watch them go in and pull the door handle on a laundry if there's no attendant or not attendant available, but have that door just swing wide open and they just walk in the store. That's thinking beyond just the inside of the store, but thinking about the customer that's inside of it and your typical customer, and it really comes down to it. There's a value proposition. There's a convenience proposition that I think we underestimate, and we can do tons of things with the payment system, but that is something that is just inherently, I would imagine that someone that goes through that, it's like, I'm going to that store because I can't get in the door with my 3-year-old and my 6-year-old if I have to swing this open and carry this basket of laundry. So, anything you can do like that to add convenience, and certainly payment systems helps with that, is all part of the secret sauce. And there's no one piece. There's lots of examples like that.
Yeah, I love that. And I think, that's kind of been one of the big themes of this whole, interview, right? Is ways to add value and thinking about your customer. It goes right back to what you were saying earlier about, don't forget, keep your customer in mind, without the guy who's putting the quarter in your machine or the lady, you don't have a business.
None of this matters.
Right?
None of this matters.
It doesn't matter. Yeah. So, I think that goes right in line. And I think it's, a perspective that's easy to get lost when we're in the weeds of things, or maybe we've gotten in the rut, those kinds of things. And I would say too, part of that is being in communication with your customers, and just every now and then just check in with them when you're at the store. You have a quick conversation like, hey, ask them how they're doing, how the family's doing, how it's going and all that. And say, hey, how's your experience been here lately? Is there anything I can do to improve it? And hearing from them, and not saying that you necessarily have to do everything they say or they want you to do, but starting to get their perspective, because like you said, they're what matters most. So even though I put you on the spot, I would say those 50 years of collective experience have really shined in the secret. Just kidding.